Hello, this is Right Side Trader. Today is September 5th, 2025, and this is my weekly market review where I'm reviewing the S&P 500, that's SPY, on a quarterly chart, monthly chart, weekly chart, and a daily chart. This is all for educational purposes only, no trade recommendation, because as we all know, trading is risky. You can lose money at trading. So please check with your financial advisor. Please check with your significant other and make sure trading is something that is suitable for you. All right, let's minimize this and let's take a look and see what happened this week on the SPY. Maximize this quarterly chart. And zoom in here. We're still looking green here on this quarterly chart. We're still above our yearly R1 and all, and everything is looking good here still for us bulls. Let's go down here to this monthly chart. On this monthly chart, we're still looking good here also. We still haven't quite, we're still above the 9-10 moving average. We still haven't quite reached an R1. Look like we may not reach that R1 this quarter. But that's okay. We're still hanging out here near the top, and look like come next quarter we will be opening above pivot. So again, this market still look like it has a tendency to continue going up and all. But that's what I see here. Let's go ahead and go down to this weekly chart and see what we see here. On this weekly chart, what do we see here? We see a new all-time high. Wow. The SPY has been smoking. You know, that's the whole thing. The SPY has been going up so crazy, so it's just going. You know, it opened way down here first part of the week after the holiday for holiday weekend, and it was so strong pulling all the way back up here. It pulled back a little bit here, you know, today, but we made all-time highs this week. So that's the whole thing. And now we got a bullish engulfing of a previous candle. That thing still looked like it, and we're getting higher highs. You know, this is the first time we got a lower low. Well, not the first time, but we ended up getting a lower low and a higher high, so we ended up with an engulfing candle, and engulfing the previous candle. But it's green on green, so but that's strong. I'm kind of expecting this market just to continue going up. Bottom line, but let's go ahead and go down to the daily noise and wrap this on up. On this daily noise, again, it was a short week. You know, all-time high made today, and again, like I said, it might have been I don't know what other earnings were going on, but Broadcom earning was pretty big. It actually popped up bigger than expected, and all. But it pulled a lot of it back throughout the day. I was watching that today, and all. So it did pull back, and all, and that might be some of the pullback. But I also noticed Tesla pulled back, Nvidia pulled back, and all, and some of the other ones probably pulled back. Just the ones that I was watching that I was paying attention to, and all. So things still do look good. We did make all-time highs. We do have a piercing pattern here on a daily chart at a high, but on the bigger time frame, this thing definitely looks like it's just ready to rock and roll. This just could have been just some profit taking after these big moves and all, because some of those other stocks that I mentioned kind of had to reach high levels that I was kind of expecting and all. So that's it. That's all I really want to share at this time. This was a crazy week. I hope you guys had a great week. Hope you guys have a great weekend, and I'll speak to you next week. Have a good one. Right Side Trader here. See ya.